the master bedroom is all about the views.
And it wouldn't be a modern Aussie resort without a killer ensuite with day spa vibes.
We still wanted the master bedroom to feel separate enough from the kids for it to be still a bit of an adults only retreat area, but not too far away that they feel uneasy at night time. So we have put the master bedroom at the end of what we call the bedroom wing, plus that gives us lots of views and plenty of space and room for our walk-in robe and our ensuite. Comes through to the master bedroom and we've got these huge louvered windows. The thing continues all the way through the middle.
Yeah.
To really open up.
Cool.
Yeah, opens up the space, lets all the view in, and it gives it that resort feel that we're after as well. So we have added sheer curtains on 2 of those walls where those windows are to help filter the light, but we also have block out roller blinds, so if we need to block out more light we can put those down as well. The bed will go there, but the bed looks straight out across to the pool. We'll have some beautiful greeneries to look at on this side, the sparkling water. We've got the beautiful wide line louvered windows in our master bedroom. These are perfect for my master bedroom. I wanted something that was round because I've got an arched bed head, and this is the perfect fit. Fits a resort feel. It fits the space. It's not too large, not too small. Perfect, love this one. Through here is our ensuite. The vanity is here with a recessed shaving cabinet. And then behind here is the shower. My master ensuite is big and spacious and it has loads of natural light, and I really wanted to create a day spa look and feel for that room. Because there's so much natural light, I've chosen a darker colour and I have given it some variation and some interest by adding in a feature tile in the penny rounds, which flows in the theme throughout the home and it gives it a little bit of texture. So you'll notice in the ensuite, the bathroom here, I have chosen just a large format tile through the whole room. The only variation that I did was this beautiful stone penny round. So it ties in perfectly with the colour. It just gives that little bit of texture and interest that the room needs. Having the large mirrors across here reflects that feature tile behind it. We've got the large white stone bath from Reese. It's positioned right in front of these large windows because we're going to have a beautiful outdoor rainforest style garden go in there.
Yeah, I love that.
And all of that is accessible straight to the pool. So behind this wall is our shower. So we do have a double shower head. It's nice and open. We've got a skylight above it to let all that natural light in. Because we have gone with a slightly darker tile in this room because it can take it. We've got a lot of natural light.
We do. I love the layout of the master ensuite. When you walk in, there's no shower screen. You're greeted by that beautiful penny round tile feature wall with the shower heads hidden behind it. So it just makes a really big statement when you walk into that space.
So even though I do have a completely different tile to the rest of the bathrooms in the other house, I still have continuity and consistency. All the tapware is the same, all matte black tapware. The beautiful matte black shower heads from Reese all ties in and makes it still feel part of the home. So I've just jumped out of the shower and I'm headed straight for my clothes.
That's great.
So we're in the walk-in robe. So we wanted it really practical, functional. It has straight access from the ensuite, which is what you need, and it's got a good amount of hanging space. We've got open shelves, and then on this side we've got the headed drawers that are really practical and functional. So originally down that end there was no door.
I remember seeing that on the plans.
So we added that door in down that end, and I'm really glad that we did.
Definitely the right decision. if you've just come home from work, you need somewhere to just put your shoes, put your jacket off before you head into the bathroom. And if you don't have that easy access, I think it just means that you end up dumping it on the bed or in an armchair. And so it's just really important to get little details like that right. Sarah's putting an office in the hallway and not wasting an inch of space.
I've designed these rooms perfectly for my family, but where I've put them may be a surprise.